हेलो गाइस, मैं हूं अंजलि पटेल एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल एजुकेशनल एंड मोटिवेशनल हब। सो फ्रेंड्स, हम देख रहे हैं इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ ईएसआईसी एंड एम्स नॉसेट 2021। फ्रेंड्स, ये सभी एमसीक्यू मैंने प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन पेपर से लिए हुए हैं, तो ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाते हैं आपके सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट जॉब की तैयारी करने के लिए। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे नर्वस सिस्टम से एमसीक्यू। इससे पहले कि हम आगे स्टार्ट करें, जो भी मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें, बेल आइकन को दबा दें ताकि आपको वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके। सो आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं नर्वस सिस्टम से इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू। लेट्स गो फ्रेंड्स। एमसीक्यू फर्स्ट, नंबर ऑफ पेयर्स of spinal nerves that exist from the spinal cord are options 31, 33, 24, 30. Answer is 31. Second, a client with C4 spinal cord injury is greatest risk for options neurogenic shock, respiratory compromise, paralytic illusion, stress ulcer. Answer is respiratory compromise. Third, respiratory center is located at options cerebrum, pons, medulla oblongata, spinal cord. Answer is medulla oblongata. Fourth, which division of the nervous system initiate a response known as fight or flight? Options: the parasympathetic nervous system, the sympathetic nervous system, the somatic nervous system, none of these. Answer is the sympathetic nervous system. Fifth, the automatic nervous system regulate visceral cavities such as options respiration, contraction of smooth muscles, gastrointestinal motility, all of this above. Answer is all of this above. मीन्स जो ऑटोमेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम है वो रेस्पिरेशन, कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ स्मूथ मसल और गैस्ट्रोइंटेस्टाइनल मोर्टालिटी तीनों को ही रेगुलेट करता है। द पार्ट ऑफ ब्रेन विच इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द कोऑर्डिनेशन ऑफ मूवमेंट इज ऑप्शंस ब्रेन स्टेम, थैलेमस, सेरिबेलम, हाइपोथैलेमस. आंसर इज सेरिबेलम. Seventh, which one of the following is not a neurotransmitter? Options: cortisol, acetylcholine, epinephrine, norepinephrine. Answer is cortisol. cortisol एक स्टेरॉइड है, न कि न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर, लेकिन इसका सेकेंडरी फंक्शन जो है वो न्यूरोट्रांसमिशन का है। 8th, which one of the following brain area regulates body temperature? Options: cerebrum, cerebellum, hypothalamus, hippocampus. Answer is hypothalamus. 9th, while performing Romberg's test, nurse must ensure patients options gait, posture, safety, closing of eye. Answer is safety. 10th, electroencephalogram is options recording of brain waves activity, recording of peristalsis, recording of heart activity, none of the above. Answer is recording of brain waves activity. 11th, the adult male client has undergone spinal surgery. Which of the following intervention is appropriate for this client? Options: assist the client feet for sensation and circulation, encourage client to drink plenty of water, log roll the client to prone position, observe the client bowel movement and voiding pattern. Answer is assist the client's feet for sensation and circulation. 12th, normal range of ICP is options 0 to 5 mm of Hg, 5 to 10 mm of Hg, 5 to 15 mm of Hg, 15 to 20 mm of Hg. Answer is 5 to 15 mm of Hg. 13. Normal range of cerebral perfusion pressure is Options: 10 to 35 mm of Hg, 40 to 80 mm of Hg, 50 to 100 mm of Hg, 60 to 140 mm of Hg. Answer is 60 to 140 mm of Hg. 14. Which of the following sign in a child with meningitis is characterized by pain or restriction on extending the leg at the knee when the child is lying supine? Options: Brudzinski, Kerning, McEwen, joystick. Answer is Kerning. 15. Inability to carry out normal activities despite intact motor function is: Options: anhedonia, apraxia, apathy, amnesia. Answer is apraxia. 16. Aphasia refer to: Options: increased rate of speech, inability to speak, loud speech, high pitch speech. Answer is inability to speak. 17. Which of the following will not be observed in a client with right hemisphere stroke? Options: impulse control difficulty, loss of depth perception, right hemiplasia, lack of awareness. Answer is right hemiplasia. 18. Which of the following is not an expected finding in the assessment of a client having increased intracranial pressure? Options: unequal pupil, clear consciousness, irritability, headache. Answer is clear consciousness. 19. All of the following measures are used to decrease brain edema except: Options: hydrocortisone, hyperventilation, dextrose infusion, mannitol infusion. Answer is dextrose infusion. 20. The key instruction to be given to the patient and the caregivers with epilepsy is as follows except: Options: take medication daily, maintain medication and seizure chart, avoid alcohol, smoking, hypoglycemia, take shower in bathtub. Answer is take shower in bathtub. Thank you friends for watching my video. प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल. फ्रेंड्स मैं यूट्यूब पे नई हूँ तो मुझे सब्सक्राइबर्स की बहुत ज़रूरत है, तो प्लीज़ अगर आपको वीडियो थोड़ा भी अच्छा लगता है तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स.